Hello my lovely friends, welcome to today's video. Today I will be showing you how to use paper to sew lycra dress. Like there is stretch material. This material now is a stretch material. You can't sew with ordinary machine because it will not work very well. So all you need to do is to use paper. There is a video I make on how to use the needle. This lycra dress, it has needle to sew it. Not every tailor that says it. If you want to get the needle, you go to where they sell lycra materials. Go there and ask them where you can get the needle. So I've made video on that and on that particular aspect, and I show the needle to get. If you want to sew lycra dress, the needle to use to sew that lycra dress, I snap the picture and that is the needle I use to make that lycra dress. So on this particular video, this is the second method of this video to use paper to sew your dress. In case if you don't see that needle, this paper is another alternative. All you need to do is to press it where you know that you'll be sewing your dress. Like now I'll be cutting it little and place it where I want to sew. See what I'm doing here? This is another way of sewing your lycra dress. Now I'll be sewing it from this side. I place my paper on that side. I'll be sewing. I place my paper there. See what I'll be doing here? Very, very easy to sew. And it's going to come out very, very well. Now I'll start sewing it now. So just make sure that you are sewing on top the paper. Already I have nowhere to sew, so just follow the side. It's very, very easy to do that. So you see how fast it's going. It is going to sew very, very perfect. So I'm going to sew it now straight down. So just now, see what I'm doing. You can use any paper. You can use even newspaper to do that. So when you are done, take another one again and sear it. So with this one now, your work will sew very, very perfect. See the way I'm joining it. Make sure you follow exactly where you want to sew. In case if you don't see that needle, this is another way. Please, if you have not subscribed on this my channel, do me well to subscribe on this channel, like my video and share my video. Please subscribe for me on this channel. Please support me by subscribing. I place it down again and start to sew my work. See, this is what I'll be doing till the end, to where I want it to stop. See how easy is sewing? Very, very easy. Because this material the stretch is too much. All you need to do is to use paper. Any paper at all can sew it. Alright. And when you are sewing it, try to set this handle here. Look at this handle here. When you are sewing Ankara, remember that it's somehow used to put it somewhere here. Take it up. When you are sewing this lycra now, take it up to this side. Just take it up little. Don't let it come down to the way as in you are sewing your Ankara. Take it up. So that you work, the sewing will be tight. Take it up, the sewing will be tight, and continue your work. Like I said, see how fast it's going. It makes my work so very, very well. And when you're getting to where to join your paper, don't wait until you reach to the main fabric. Always place your paper in before there, so that to avoid jumping. So with this paper, it will not be any jumping of it. It will sew it very, very perfect. And always use your hand to arrange the dress as you are sewing it. Don't allow the paper to tear. Now even if it tears mistakenly, you can easily join it. Like this is my own now. Somewhere here, it's so little. I have to join it with the paper because I don't want it to jump. I don't want any space to be there. I use my hand to be setting it, to arrange my work. I'll be sewing it. It goes so faster and nice. And after that, you will see how well it sews your dress. Very, very well. Does not also. I'm done with this side. I stitch it. Alright. So this is how to use paper to sew lycra dress. Very, very easy. I'm going to be cutting it now to sew other side. So after that, the next thing to do now is to remove my paper. Start tearing it like this. Very, very easy. See the sewing. The sewing look very, very. See my sewing here. It look very, very nice. I use this dress so you can see the sewing. You see how tight it is. You see how tight it is. That is how it's supposed to be. So I see the way I'm removing my paper now. To not affect the sewing, you just remove the paper alone. Alright, see it. You see how inside will be. Very neat. So I'm done with it now. I've teared the paper and let me show you how the inside looks like. You see how perfectly it's sewed. See the sewing here. I hope you are seeing it very well. This is the sewing. There's no gap. There's nothing like jumping on it. No gap on it. It's so very, very perfect. See how it looks. It's come out very well. So I'll be sewing the other side again and bring it for you to see it. See the paper. See how I will join it. Before you finish sewing from this paper, put it on top. And make sure that you arrange it at the side, at the under, to avoid squeezing. See how I'm setting it. I place it before the end of the other paper. It's so very, very perfect. It's to look as if you are sewing like Ankara dress. That is how this paper sews. It's so very, very nice. So I'll be adding another paper. I've already cut the paper down pieces. I've already pieces it so that it will be easy for me. See how I take one and join it like this. And make sure that the paper still remain. I put it on top. Please, if you have any question, drop your message on the comment box. I'm going to reply you immediately. But if you have not subscribed yet, do me well to subscribe on this my channel, like my video and share my video. Thank you very much. So I'm done with this now. All I need to do now is to tear off the papers out. Now when you're tearing the paper, it's not going to affect anything. Start tearing it. Remove it like this. Very, very easy. The sewing is still there. When you remove it, when you are tearing the paper, the sewing still remains there. It's not going to go tear it. No. See how I'm removing it? Very, very easy. I've removed it to where I started it. Alright, so I'm going to show you how the inside looks like again. Alright, I'm done with it. I've turned it to the right side. See how the sewing looks like. No matter how your lycra looks like, no matter how it's stretched, once you use paper to sew it, it will sew it very tight. Give it a try and see how easy it comes out. It's very, very easy to sew. I use it to make full dress with this paper. It makes my work very, very easy. Thank you for taking your time to watch my video. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, once again, do me well to subscribe on this channel, like my video and share my video. Thank you as you do so. God bless you. Bye bye.